Hi, if you need to change bands on your Google Pixel Watch 3, then let me show you how. So we are gonna start with flipping the watch with this back side upwards. And now find this band release button right here near this strap. So we need to press and hold this button and move strap to the side of this button. And at the same time, we need to pull it out like that from the watch. And now it will be easily removed. So let me show you again. You're pressing this band release button right here and moving the strap to the side of this button and at the same time pulling it out of the watch. So let's just try this out. And yep, it's working as well. Now take another band. In my case, it will be the same one. So to attach them back, you need to just hold it in right position like this and hold it straight to your watch like that. And make sure that this button is covered with this strap. And now just press it. So you'll hear a click. And now you can just pull it off, and as you can see, it is secured here. So let's do the same on the other side. So cover this button right here with this strap. Press it like that and press a little bit to the left side. And now it is secured as well. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.